Now see, in the second example we are having parenthesis and parenthesis is given the high priority. So first we are going to evaluate the expressions inside the parenthesis. Sorry, not evaluation, conversion. So first we have to convert the expressions within the parenthesis. Always scan the expression from left to right. So first we are going to convert this expression. After that we are going to convert this expression. After that we are going to convert the entire expression. So first plus is placed after AB so that it becomes a postfix expression. Now we are going to convert this expression. So minus is placed after CD, so this becomes a postfix expression. Now we will consider this one as one operand and this as another operand. Now multiplication is placed after these two operands. So AB plus CD minus asterisk. Now let us see the third example. In this there is no parenthesis but multiplication and division operators are there. Both multiplication and division operators are having the same priority. So now how to evaluate this, convert this means always scan the expression from left to right. When we are having two operators which are having the same priority, we will convert the expression which comes first in the left hand side. So in this expression multiplication, asterisk has came before division, so we have to convert this. So asterisk as placed after AB. So now the AB asterisk becomes one operand. Then there is division and C. This is one operand and this is another operand. Now place division after these two operands. So AB asterisk C division. Now see the fourth example. A asterisk B by C plus D. The operators in this expression are asterisk, division and plus. Now I have three operators. In these three operators, asterisk and division has given the same priority. After that, plus is given the priority. So first, in these two operators, asterisk has came first. So we are going to convert A into B. Becomes AB asterisk. After that, division C plus D are there. In these two operators, division has given the high priority. So AB asterisk C hash. Now entire thing becomes one operand plus D. So we are having only plus in this expression. So convert by placing the plus after the two operands. First operand is AB asterisk C slash and the second operand is D and the operator is plus. Now it is completely converted from infix expression to postfix expression. This is how manually we will convert each infix expression into postfix. Why we are converting infix to postfix in the sense? First thing, we can reduce the memory and cost. Second thing, in infix expression we have to follow certain rules to evaluate. In postfix we don't need to follow any rules. Automatically it will give the perfect answer. Now we are going to see the basic algorithm for converting an infix expression into postfix expression. First let me give you a small and simple understanding about the algorithm. Whenever you are talking about the algorithm, remember four terms: operand, operator, open parenthesis and closed parenthesis. Whenever there is an operand, simply add that to postfix expression. Whenever there is an open parenthesis or left parenthesis, simply push it to the stack. If there is a right parenthesis or closing parenthesis, simply pop all the elements in the stack until the first matching left parenthesis. If you are getting an operator, then you have to remember 2 points. First point is If the incoming operator is having the lowest priority than the existing operator in the stack, then remove all the high priority operators from the stack and add them to the stack. After that only you are going to push the incoming operator. That means no two operators should have the same priority in the stack. Right? Always the top of the stack should have the high priority. These are the things we have to remember always. First I will show you a small example. After that I will tell you the algorithm for that. Now see this example. I am taking A plus B into C. Simple example. In this example we are having only two operators, plus and multiplication. Okay. Now we will see how this will be converted. Whenever you want to convert it, take these three as the headings of the table. First one is scanned character, second one is stack, third one is postfix. If you want, you can also add the remarks. As of now I am telling only three columns. First column will store all the characters one by one whichever you are reading from left to right in the expression, and stack contains only operators, whereas postfix will get the actual output. Now see, initially I am not scanning anything. In the stack I am simply pushing one opening parenthesis. For this matching parenthesis I am adding at the end of the postfix expression, given infix expression, and there is nothing in the postfix expression. Now see, next first token in the expression is A. A is an operand and operand is always added to the postfix expression. So I am adding this to the postfix expression. Next one is plus. Plus is an operator. Whenever there is a opening parenthesis in the stack, no need to think anything, simply push this operator into the stack. So postfix expression will be as it is. Next one is B. B is an operand. So always operands are added to the postfix expression. So B is added to the postfix expression. After that, asterisk symbol. So whenever we have asterisk symbol and there is one more symbol here. Now you have to think about it. See, whenever you are writing, see, stack will be like this. We are having plus inside the stack. On that you are going to store the incoming operator. So on the above of plus we are getting asterisk. So I said top of the stack must always be having high priority than the existing operator, then it is allowed. Let us suppose I am having multiplication in the stack and the incoming operator is plus. Means if you are going to push this plus into the stack, then this is having high priority and this is having low priority, which is a wrong answer. Similarly, let us suppose I am having an asterisk in the stack and we are getting a division. So if I want to push this into the stack, at that moment I have to think what is there inside the stack, which is asterisk. Both are having same priority. If I am going to push this here, I will get the wrong answer. So I have to pop it first and then I have to insert. Otherwise it will be a wrong. So similar way here also. First you have to pop this out and then you have to insert plus. Otherwise it will be a wrong. So remember, if the operator inside the stack and the incoming operator both are having the same priority, or incoming operator is having low priority. In these two cases, you have to pop the element which is existing in the stack. After that only you are going to push the incoming operator. So similarly here we are having asterisk and you are comparing with the existing operator. Existing operator is having low priority and incoming operator is having high priority. So we are simply pushing it into the stack and there is no change in the postfix expression. Now the next token is C. C is an operand. Operands are always placed in the postfix. So A, B, C postfix is changed. Now I have a closing parenthesis or right parenthesis. So in this means as per the rule, whenever I get a right parenthesis, pop until matching opening parenthesis. So first I will pop this one and add it to the postfix expression. So this is added first. After that there is plus and this is also popped and added to the postfix expression. After that I am having only opening parenthesis. Now this is discarded. Discarded means removed. Okay. Now this becomes empty. Once the stack becomes empty, whatever is there in the postfix expression will be the answer. Hope guys you have all understand everything. If you have not understand, go through it one more time. It is easy to understand. So hope all are you staying at home. Be safe, be healthy and enjoy the online classes. Have a good time. Take care.